welcome. Enjoy this traditional yoga sequence of Surya Namaskar A, also known as Sun Salutation A sequence. This Hatha-inspired series of basic poses will help you become familiar with connecting your breath through movement. A modified version will be offered throughout this video. If this is your first time practicing this sequence, I invite you to pause this video for a brief warm-up before we begin. Let's find our way to the top of the mat in mountain pose, Tadasana. Standing tall, tailbone lengthened, shoulders drawn down the back, hip width distance apart, grounding through your feet, arms extending out to the side and palms facing away. Inhale. Urdhva Hastasana, upward salute. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, step back into high plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Exhale, press up into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's pause here for a few breaths. Bearing weight through all limbs of the body, push through your hands. This might be your first down dog of the day, maybe a slight bend in the knees as you gently allow your heels to sink toward the floor. Maybe you can walk your dog by pedaling your feet, awakening the hips as you shift your weight up and back toward the sky. Taking a moment for one more round of breath. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Look forward, step to the top of the mat. Exhale. Halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, back to Tadasana. Let's reset. We'll do this 2 more rounds, a little bit slower. Inhale, sweep the arms over your head. Exhale, prayer hands meet at heart center. Inhale, upward salute, Ardha Hastasana. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Holding here for a moment of breath. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Hanging here for a moment. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step or hop back into high plank. Going down for modified chaturanga. Lower your knees, lower your chest and chin to the floor. Keep your hips slightly raised. Shift your body weight forward. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Take a moment here to settle the mind and body as you connect with the flow for today. Inhaling through the nose consciously and gently exhaling out the mouth, looking forward. Step or hop to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, upward salute. Exhale, returning to Tadasana, mountain pose. Resetting again to prepare our body for one last round. Inhale, upward salute, Hastasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Look up, step your way to the top of the mat. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, root to rise, upward salute. Exhale, Tadasana, mountain pose. This concludes our practice for today. Thank you for joining me for a quick, energizing flow to build strength and heat within and connect our mind and body with our breath. If you need a guide to help you stay in touch with this sequence, I've created a free digital guide to help you flow through movements more easily. The link and details are in the description box below. Wishing you a positive and enlightening day. Let me know what your favorite pose is from this sequence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel for new videos. Thanks for watching.